What makes Alaska's economy? Supporting local. On her way to work at the pizza place, Emily notices how many other businesses are in her community and begins to realize how they're all connected. Across Alaska, businesses rely on the support of each other to succeed. Alaska's oil and gas industry spends billions of dollars with other Alaska businesses. Emily's impact is smaller, but her support helps her community. Emily's shift starts after school. On her way to work, she usually grabs a coffee from a local shop where her friend Julia works. She also buys gas at the local gas station where her friend John works. The gas might have been produced from Alaska's oil. On her way to work, Emily waves at Rich and Sue on the street. They're longtime family friends, and they own the building that Andrew, the manager, leases for the pizza place. This is Emily's first time at work since its remodel, and the manager, Andrew, shares with her that everything is locally made. The table and chairs inside were built by a local carpenter and with timber from Southeast Alaska. The lighting came from the local hardware store. A local artist designed all the artwork. He bought a new iPad to process credit cards, which contains gold mined in Alaska. Andrew has always been great about supporting local business. He takes great pride in his locally sourced ingredients. Whenever possible, his veggies come from farmers in the Mat-Su Valley. And one of his secret ingredients, the cheese, comes from a local cheese company. Many other ingredients need to be shipped up from the lower 48. This includes most of the meat, flour for the pizza dough, and soft drink mixes. All of this business and more goes to companies in the lower 48, but Andrew does use a local cargo company, and the airline might use fuel produced in Kenai. A familiar voice comes over the radio. It's Emily's older brother Jimmy, who is interning at the local radio station. He's reading an ad that Andrew placed about the pizza place. Emily's spending in her community might seem like a small impact, but for every dollar she spends, she's making a positive impact. Andrew's pizza place spending makes up an even bigger percentage. The impact grows with the size of the industry and business. The Alaska oil and gas industry's spending supports tens of thousands of jobs and billions in total wages across the state. That's a big impact, but every dollar counts. When business is good, it benefits everyone. Thank you to our partners who made this video possible.